Yeah, I kind of need my sweatshirt to get ready for the day. Could I,
Bitch, what are you doing?
could I have it, please?
Absolutely not. This is mine.
Please.
Stop it. Stop it. No. No, I want to hold on to it. It's mine. Stop. Ugh. Fine.
Thank you.
Ooh, a cord. My cord. It shall be mine. Who cares? Ooh, actually, I care. I want the cord. Doesn't taste too good. Ugh, whatever. Hello? Will you let me out? Hello? I'm being good. I'm waiting patiently like you always ask me to. Hello? I'm so confused. Why are you not letting me out? Excuse me. Oh, bitch. Finally. God, can't wait to get out of this hellhole. Ugh, come on. Hurry up.
You want out?
Yes, I want out. What do you think I want? Ugh. You're so stupid.
You've literally been in here like an hour.
I have to resort to pitiful meowing? Seriously? What's taking so long, Mom? Come on! Finally. Can't wait to get away from you. Mom? Hello? Are you gonna let me in? Hello? Excuse me? Let me in. Oh, I'm giving you the silent treatment until you let me in. See? Look at me turning the cold ear. Finally! This is too small. I can't get in. Finally. You're the worst. I hate you. Are you gonna give me food or not?
Come on, jump up.
No, I don't want to jump.
Your food's right there. Fine.
Ugh! That hurts, Mom. Yum, 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 yum. Food. Oh wow, this food is really good. Yummy, it tastes so good. What if you just gave this to me every day? Yum, I would love it. Eat chicken. Yum, wow, yum. Chicken. I love it. I love food. Yum, chicken. Oh, this is chicken so is good. The best. Wow, I wish I could eat chicken. I want chicken. Oh my god, this is so good.
Hi.
Mom, what's wrong with you? I was sleeping. Ooh, that does feel good. Okay, fine. You can do that. I'll just keep sleeping. Lick, 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 lick.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mom, I'm licking myself.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Stop bothering me. Lick, 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 lick. Gotta get clean. Okay. Now time for the back. Lick, lick, lick. Ooh, now the paw. Wow, we're really getting in deep there. Lick, lick. Gotta get everything shine and clean. Lick. Oh, more backs. Lick. Oh. Now we gotta get the special parts. Lick the tail. Lick, 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 lick. Oh yes, That feels nice, and I'm gonna be so clean after this. Lick, 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 lick. Okay, you can turn off the camera now, Mom. Hello, please turn off the camera. Hello? I need to finish. This is gonna take a long time. Ugh, what's with always waking me up when I'm sleeping on your bed? Jeez, this is my place. Why are you pulling on my fur? What is wrong with you? Stop. Ugh, I was asleep. Why are you picking me up? Stop it. This is the worst. Oh, you're soft. Okay, this is annoying. Let me go. Oh, but this is kind of nice, actually. Oh, so warm. Actually, hold me, please. Hold me. Okay, now I want out. Let me out. Yawn. Let me out. Let me out. Come on, just do it. Stretch.
Oh my God,
That feels good.
spot.
That feels so
I
nice.
need to see this more often.
This is nice. Actually, I'll just lay down here.
You want out?
No, I don't want out now.
Go out. Go out.
No, I don't want to go out now. Leave me alone.
Not anymore.
Yeah, but you can leave.
Oh, hello. Gotta bite the paw. Gotta make sure it's all clean. La-di-da-di-dee. Okay, can you let me out now, please? Ow! 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 Stop hitting me! Ow! Mom! Ow! Stop it!
I'm just trying to get your attention.
I know, I don't want your attention. Let me out.
Oh, hello. Why are you in my bed? Excuse me, it's time to go to sleep. Why are you here?
Hello, Shadow.
Hello to you too. I guess we can share. You are kind of nice smelling, I guess. Ah, actually this is nice.
Good night,
Okay, if you're gonna
Shadow.
talk, bye.